Hey guys, it's Jacob, and today I'm going to be going over some test taking tips. Let's get right into it. So my first tip is going to be read the question and then come up with your own answer. So come up with, that's my with own answer. That's abbreviation for answer. I'm going to circle all my abbreviations just in case there's any new people to let them know. So come up with your own answer to the question before looking at the choices, because if you're looking at the choices, then you're not really going by what you know, you're just going by what's given to you. Before looking, that's the universal at, so I'm not going to circle that, at the choices. Okay? Second tip is going to be before you choose an answer, so before you choose a definite answer, make sure that you read through all of the choices. So read through choices, because a lot of times because it could say choose the best answer, and I'll give an example, and then A is like 7, and then but C, I'm just gonna skip B, and then C is like 7:10, and the event happened at 7:11. So, A is close, but it says best, so C would technically be better. Yeah, it's just an example of why I want to do that. And lots of times they will do that. They'll make A as like a pretty good answer, and then to trick people and just draw them in, but then one of the later ones is a better answer. So my next tip is paraphrase the question, and a lot of these are coming off of my Instagram page. It is _impact_project_tutoring_, and all that is going to be lowercase. Go check it out if you enjoy this channel. So paraphrase the question so that you know what they're asking you and you can really comprehend and answer it in your own words. Then you're going to want to, you really want to think it through. Because if you make some shotgun decision, like if you have just been doing a bunch of multiplication problems and suddenly there's a division problem, like if you've been multiplying 10 times 5 all test, and suddenly it asks you what 10 divided by 5 is, you might miss that difference, So just read it through really carefully. And I'm just using really basic examples. I know that a lot of you, anyone that's asking for test taking tips, has probably, experienced that, but it can happen to anyone, so just really read it through carefully. So think it through. Right. And then check your work after you're done. So check your work. But don't second guess. A lot of the times, if you have no clue about a question, it's completely out of left field for you, your gut instinct will be right. I've experienced this many times, so don't second guess yourself. And then you're going to want to, eliminate wrong answers, just so that you narrow your thinking. So, eliminate, whoops. Oh, my goodness, okay. Here we go. Eliminate wrong answers, because that will narrow your thinking down and make the question less scary. So, if A is wrong, cross it out. B could be right, leave it. C is wrong, cross it out. D could be right, leave it. Now you're just down to thinking about B and D, and the question becomes a lot simpler and easy, and you now have a 50-50 shot. Especially if you have to guess on a question, it's crucial to eliminate answers you know are wrong. Alright, and those are going to be my basic test taking tips. Bye, guys.